Depending on the project and organizational processes, additional project reports with in-depth analysis and recommendations may also be required when a project ends. Writing a report is a useful opportunity to evaluate the process, document lessons learned, and to add to your organization's knowledge base for future projects. I've got 7 steps to consider in writing an effective project report. Number 1, decide the objective. Take some time to think about the purpose of the report. Do you need to describe, explain, recommend, persuade? Having a clear purpose from the outset ensures that you stay focused, which makes it easier to engage your reader. 2, understand your audience. Writing a formal annual report for your stakeholders is very different from a financial review. Tailor your language, use of data, and supporting graphics to the audience. It's also useful to consider the personal communication style of the reader. For example, how do they write their emails or structure documents? Reflect their preference where possible. You may need to develop a more formal or informal tone to your own natural style. Adopting this technique will build rapport and make the reader more receptive to your ideas. Number 3, report format and type. Before you start, check the report format and type. Do you need to submit a written report or deliver a presentation? Do you need to craft a formal, informal, financial, annual, technical, fact-finding, or problem-solving report? You should also confirm if any templates are available within the organization. Checking these details can save time later on. 4, gather the facts and data. Including engaging facts and data will solidify your argument. Start with your collaborative project site and work out as needed. Remember to cite sources such as articles, case studies, and interviews. 5, structure the report. A report typically has 4 elements. The executive summary, and it's the first item the reader will encounter. This is the most important section of the document. The summary will likely be used to decide how much of the report they need to read, so make it count. The next part is the introduction, which provides a context for the report and outlines the structure of the contents. It will identify the scope of the report and any particular methodologies used. Next is the body. It's now time to put your writing skills to work. This is the longest section of the report and should present background details, analysis, discussions, and recommendations for consideration. Draw upon data and supporting graphics to support your position. The next is the conclusion. Bring together the various elements of the report in a clear and concise manner. Identify the next steps and any actions that your reader needs to take. 6, readability. Spend some time making the report accessible and enjoyable to the reader. If working in Word, the navigation pane is a great way to help your reader work through the document. Use formatting, visuals, and lists to break up long sections of text. And finally, the 7th, edit. The first draft of the report is rarely perfect, so you'll need to edit and revise the content. If possible, set the document aside for a few days before reviewing or ask a colleague to review. By utilizing these 7 tips for project reports, you will keep the project stakeholders up to date on project status. They also will help the project team members track and address issues, including what is causing those issues and how to resolve them. Most importantly, project reporting and the use of these tips help trigger the planning of next steps by providing a full circle view of where things are at a given time. With these 7 tips, you'll be well on your way to writing effective project reports.